Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey and today I'm going to be revealing the teaser of Prestige Group new launch project located in Dhokali Road, Kolshet, Thane. As you can see, I'm standing on the main road. Right behind me here is going to be the land parcel of the project. This entire thing that you see is going to be the land parcel where the project is going to be constructed. So you can also have a look at the neighborhood. So this side of the road will lead you to the Eastern Express Highway and this side of the road will also lead you to the Eastern Express Highway. In this video, we are going to be covering the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers and many more. But before moving ahead, let me also give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers which may lead to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Now talking about project overview, this project will be constructed on a massive land parcel of 14.7 acres. As you can see right behind me is the actual land parcel. This project will be having 4 towers with ground plus 35 floors with configuration of 2, 3 and 4 BHK of premium residences. Talking about the exact connectivity, so this project is located in Highland Circle, Dhokali, Kolshet Road, Thane West with upcoming Balcom metro station at a distance of 5 minutes. We have D-Mart at a distance of 4 minutes. We have Viviana Mall at a distance of 2.5 kilometers and Majiwara Junction at a distance of 2.1 kilometer. We have Eastern Express Highway at a distance of 5-minute drive. School, colleges, hospitals, all basic necessity at a distance of 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this project has 30 plus luxurious amenities which includes a grand clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, gym, yoga center and many more. Before moving ahead, I have a question to ask you. Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I've got a strong recommendation for you. Housey के Rights of Home Buyer series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers are unaware of what their basic rights are. For example, you've booked a home, given a token amount to the builder, but now you want to cancel it off. So how much money can the builder legally deduct? Secondly, let's say after possession you have any construction or leakage related issue. So what liability does the builder hold? We have made you understand all of these things in very simple and easy to understandable language. So before booking your home next time, go through this series. ये series का link आपको ऊपर आई बटन या नीचे description box में मिल जाएगा. Talking about carpet area, as I mentioned, this project has 3 configuration, 2, 3 and 4 BHK with 2 BHK having carpet area of approx 700 square feet, 3 BHK having carpet area of approx 1050 square feet and 4 BHK having carpet area of approx 1500 square feet. We also have Jodi option available. Now talking about the booking process, so our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the complete project details. We'll also show you the actual land and will explain you about the actual project in a 3D model. We'll also help you with the payment and EMI scheme. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the booking amount. They can register themselves with the Prestige Priority Pass. The pass holders will be getting exclusive offers and discount. So people who will be having the pass, that is the token, they'll get an exclusive discount from the end of the builder and also preference in flat selection. So the token holders will be called first to choose their flat. So everyone, this was the teaser of Prestige Group upcoming project located in Dhokali, Kolshet, Thane West. To get more information about this amazing project, you need to download the e-brochure given below. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.